We turned $250 painting job into a $9,750 painting job by asking one simple question. Let me explain. So we acquired this client through a Facebook ad we were running at the time. Oh, and by the way, don't tell anybody, but we only have 9 spots available for a Facebook ad course launching this month. So join the waiting list with the link in my bio and hurry. All right, so this client messages through Messenger requesting a quote to paint her exterior front door, which we told her it would cost $250 over the phone, and she agreed right away because her ad did all the work with all the social proofing we performed. Once we get to the job site, I asked the homeowner when was the last time your full exterior was painted, and she replied by saying about 10 years ago. So I offered to give her a quote since I noticed a few spots that the paint was peeling and flaky, and she also had some rotten boards that needed to be replaced. So after a thorough walkthrough, I come back and present her with an in-person quote of $9,750 with all labor and materials included, to which she agreed on the spot since I pointed out the main pain points first and why it was so important to fix the problem now. Let me know what you think in the comments below and how you would handle this situation.